In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crude oil in Tradingview. Tradingview is an incredibly versatile platform that allows you to analyze and monitor a wide range of market assets all in one place. Whether you're tracking stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, or commodities like crude oil, the platform offers tools to customize your experience and stay on top of market movements. Today, we'll focus specifically on adding crude oil to your watch list so you can easily monitor its price, analyze its chart, and set up alerts when needed. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in. First, open Tradingview using your web browser or the mobile app. Tradingview is accessible from most major browsers, and their mobile app is available for both iOS and Android, so you can follow along no matter which device you're using. Once you're on the platform, locate the Products section. You'll typically find this in the main navigation bar or menu. This section is where Tradingview organizes all the financial instruments you can browse or search for. It's essentially the starting point for choosing which market assets you want to work with. Tradingview supports a wide variety of assets, including stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, and of course, commodities like crude oil. Now, let's navigate over to your watch list. The watch list is your personal dashboard that allows you to keep track of the specific assets you're most interested in. You can think of it as a custom portfolio or a favorites list for the markets you want to monitor closely. If you're using the web version, the watch list is usually located on the right-hand side of the screen. On the mobile app, you may need to tap into the watch list tab from the bottom menu. To add a new instrument to your watch list, click the plus sign. On the web version, you'll see this near the top of the watch list panel. On the mobile app, it's often represented by a similar plus icon within the watch list section. This is your gateway to searching and adding new assets. When the search box appears, type crude oil. As you type, Tradingview will display a list of auto-suggested options related to crude oil. You'll see various listings for crude oil, and this is where you can choose the specific type you want to monitor. If you're unsure which one to pick, let me guide you through the most common choices. For a standard option, you can select WTI crude oil futures, which refers to West Texas Intermediate, a widely traded benchmark in the oil market. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose Brent oil, another popular global benchmark. The choice depends on which type of crude oil aligns with your trading or analysis needs. Once you've identified the listing you want, click the plus sign next to it in the search results. This action will add that specific crude oil instrument to your watch list. If you don't see the plus sign at first, make sure the search results are fully loaded and that you've selected the correct listing. Now confirm that crude oil has been successfully added to your watch list. You should see it appear as a new entry in your list alongside any other assets you've already saved. By adding crude oil to your watch list, you'll gain quick and easy access to its price movements, historical data, and detailed charts. You can even set up alerts to notify you of significant price changes or market conditions, so you never miss an opportunity. And that's it. You've now added crude oil to your Tradingview watch list, giving you the tools you need to track and analyze this important commodity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.